Senior like this.
I'm going to download frog. With the frog now. Maybe we picture of a match together. Dear Adolo, it's only an activity to how joy of God. Oh, yeah. End of discussion. End of discussion. This can't be human. No, this joy of God now sounds like a very beautiful woman. Exactly. Franklin, I'm going to pick you about. Franklin, before the saga on a phone of boom and the account channel on private. So, but the saga had a private account. So, I'm not talking to come here, delayed. Because I need to know those pictures. Also, China, tomorrow, this afternoon, Agama, G group my page today. Oh, joy of God, who go on. I'll go Mawolaga. Mawolaga kai naba, ayagayaga, ayagayaga. It's the joy of God when I deep yard hollow. Also, them by Owoge, Ozugadrola, Elala. Joy of God, Elala. You wrote it there one. You wrote it there one. Ena, Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Joy of God, Gela, Potragi. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Ewela, Odoya, Nona, Miliolala. Joy of God. In a chibare sinopu. Magiba Baba Dupo, Igaden Kreka, my John John. Oh! Magiba Baba Dupo, what can I go to live this morning? Irola Badoro, Igamama Diu. Irola Badoro, Igamama Diu. Magiba Baba Dupo, Igaden Kreka, why he John Jodiegu, a low Wegana, or swa, would joy of God, that is Wopia. Oh, na, go. Joy of God, hey! Joy of God, go.
Racing Namo Bikono, Weloja no oracle, kidnap go my brother, or Ebulu go my brother, Fandama no zone.
Money about Punaba yesterday. Although I slept off, so Nga this morning. Emarago, Oracle is a strong man. So he's doing very, very well. Oracle is more fuma.
Because only why they be my
Oh,
brother,
strong man.
only no go know my brother. Because they should let us know. Me, I'm bothered about him. I'm bothered about him because
He's fine. He's very good.
Thank
Hey,
you.
good morning. He's very good. Ask how about God so. Emma, let me tell you, big mouth. Why I like you is because since the instance of this saga, when you got put us, no, you go 1 naira before.
For where I am not a lazy man, and I'm
And that is why Oneno now, let me be honest with you, my brother. As a man,
yes, God bless you.
as a man, you see the reason why he buying a live stream on that. Why have 2 seconds? Because they have nothing to talk about me.
At all.
Nothing. This morning, Kahari Kumaka Ifani.
I know me, and I know my 5 pin watch her.
I'm not FIP now watching her. They were talking about Ifani. Has Ifani for this morning. Now, by joy of God, the saga. Because in a good Ifani, not John grateful. They know Yana, Onana, Nego, Onana, Toregato, somebody name of future. And these are the things they cannot say about me. These are the things they can't say about me. The things they can't say about me when I bomb now and who give me money. Or negi, he can move. He can bring off for my. He get you to make. He can move on each one for. Because he lay racing. He can racing with one expensive shit.
Yes, so. Racing,
So now, that's what
Clear the camera of Makana for your dining. Clear the camera of Makana for that your back.
Good. My darling brother. Out of Hannah Fuya.
Yes.
So before give Motaba race in Oku, it was a Lego race and Oku. And you see, majority of them Mona natural mom saga. How about saga? People got one of my page in Lequamo. Has the Botonia. You know, no, all saga corner bonya. Because you know too well that I am not a hungry person like you. Imandonya guru ne wunne onya guru ne wunne gay pota but I got you we can't do that shit.
Thank you.
All like this eventually one in filter mistress one in filter.
I swear.
Oh, thank you, my God. That girl with you filter will go where I'm gonna say filter Kiao.
The highest filter. The highest among all.
I want to know the filter.
Yeah, filter where you bubble. Filter where you bubble.
Oh, beauty plus. I guess.
Yes, yeah, beauty plus. So it's yeah, beauty plus.
I will go.
I want a video got viral one time. And I believe already that video got viral. That video got viral. Mary, our wife. In my that video, na page ya can 500 viewers. Meanwhile, if we had that video, we that our wife found that are viral. Because people cannot comprehend with what you are posting with your filter. You're going to a Fred, big mouth. Ask a Fred, and then I thought to come to village. You know what I know?
Yeah.
Fred, can you hear me? Can you hear me, big mouth? Big mouth, can you hear me?
Yes, I am here with you. Nah.
Na village.
Now, like this thing, like Piokoro Pia bottle water, or Bropas or Konkomiana Piokoro Pia bottle water.
Social media big lady. Social media billionaire. Social media millionaires.
Audio, I know, I had no video now, audio with the
Fake life.
You see, let me tell you, Paul, anybody for the angel or so, a successful person, because successful people praises people who are successful. Now imagine somebody then a live stream now say, about that year 28,000. About that clothes on the a discussion. About that day, an interaction on social media. Or we can have an that mental problem.
I was shocked.
The thing is, God Rayson, do you know one thing I like about you? One thing I like about you is you will never open your live stream and start begging for money. Okay, for that's rubbish. That's opening live stream.
Yes.
You put a saga. You come out for saga. You don't need to be begging.
Money point,
that
don't
thing
miss
pisses
out.
me off.
Don't
It
miss
pisses
out
me
money
off.
point.
It pisses me off. He put that he buy your live stream, he tell your account details. Only she bless again. Normally, if maybe I want to bless you now, I can tell you, okay, Racing, I want to bless what you are doing. It's not like you are begging me for money. Every day you now look like a tout. That is why I like coming to you. I like coming to your boss. I don't beg. I work hard. I don't beg. I don't beg. There is dignity in labor. You be proud of it. In on a live stream. Now you ego. Amaraga call you ego. Actually, I saw a lot of people. I don't go there again. Always begging.
That is why I say to you, the majority of the people making out in the Anambra State, majority of them that I'm an Igbo boy, I'm an Igbo state now. I'm an Igbo state now.
Racing, just go to somebody they can poke.
Just imagine, always begging.
Your
begging
phone
for
maybe
phone.
maybe
They will
as
beg
a
for
matured
phone.
man, a matured man phone.
If you go ordinary Android
you
phone,
cannot
you
get-
go. Yeah. They will beg for transport. They will beg for morning food. I'm tired of all these people. I contribute to them, contribute to the I'm not contributing again. Always begging. Go and look for something to do. If you're a young man, if you're a young lady, look for something doing. Make money.
That is why they cannot stop this saga. Because
50K, 20K,
but him
that's
and
why I love you.
I talk at this saga for shit. Because all of this saga for shit. No, God forbid though.
You are not in that section.
Then have protection on internet.
Just
Such kind of
imagine.
people.
Just imagine.
Imagine.
That thing
Then
is
I want a warrior. Then I want a warrior. How the Torah Hego.
Go and look for something doing. Go and look for something doing. I put on the see anybody to ego. Go and look for something doing. Open for business. Look for something doing. There is dignity in labor.
Hey, the worst part of it is that all these people now are pure able men. Complete men.
What rubbish?
If a money points don't miss out. Money points don't miss out. Account number.
Only points out with jail. Okay, they are aware.
Oh, Ijele won't this here now.
Oh, you see, Baba.
Madam begging. Why fine barra? Yoruba na for her fine barra. Oh, yeah, man now. Oh, we go to Yoruba now. We look and go to their race.
Yeah, no man. I'm
N'eji egwu a na-agụ ya na ya.
Imagination ka ọ na-eme ihe ahụ.
Racing ka ngwa ọrụ gị egwu a. Ndị Yoruba na-asị, "Kèmi ṣá máa dúpẹ́, a jẹ́ pé mi ò more." ọ̀tọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ mi ti kú ọ̀tọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ mi ti lọ ọ̀tọ̀ ló ń wá lẹ́wọ̀n géǹkà náà ọ̀tọ̀ ló ṣe fine bara if that fine bara before ìdílé Mrs. Fine Bara why POS money point don't miss out a chronic beggar aka Anayo Chukwuna Ogechi. Ihe dịka ijele nne onye ji ijele ji ewu Zambia Jehovah Nisi. That woman can beg. Inya 50,000. Hey, obiam nalu. Hey, onye memifa. Ihe mebukwa gị. Go and see successful Ibata Lagos racing. No be church. Come Lagos when you come see.
Big mouth. It's not only her. Hakanku. A lot of them.
Emana how a beggars association. That is why people that hello Ijele, how America attack because they are all in the same category.
A lot of them. He stand for somebody. Okay, he stand there for somebody. He money point account. He see
Pelo, story what happened. Listen, can I story what happened? Just relax. And when I want video, Ijele Mary for Sky Baby Legit Queen. I don't know if I'm getting it correct. Oracle mere protest against Omitego. Where that lady, where that woman, 3 million. So the major reason why Oracle was having issue with that lady was basically because Oracle feel now that woman no Korea that 3 million now. Now Sky Legit was thinking like let's say 200,000 or 300,000 naira. So, among what happened on the process had a way issue. You know what Ijele said? Ijele said, now somebody have prorogate. We're taking your money. Get away 15,000 here for what? For what? EKJ, you have 15,000 naira.
If you go, that's what I'm saying. Most of them, they come out for this saga because of money.
Now, do you know why? Now, let me tell you why Ijele is jobless. Ijele is jobless because all forgot that na saga is an avenue to sustain herself. Now, Gile Ijele. Now, Iga home lawyer, all the empty. That is why
uncompleted building.
That is why Ijele that whenever the snap, all la home get all on. Namado promo la.
Watch one video me lo go see amam o si na ndị man na asị na ụmụ ya dị empty. Si ogotorigba. O go si na nwa na osno na ihe abụ Pakistan ya ka ọ gịnị ebe ọ na-abịa pụta na akọ iri.
Now, I want them mad Guaraya, I was wondering, I keep telling her that your house is empty. I go down in Yegi. Will you buy me my hair? At least, Ocha Mzureba now. Ogem Zuria. And him to Rocha was 580. Come to Roya. Or just 3 cents. Or him Guria. 580. You tell a big, and want to go up to 580,000 at this TikTok app. Yeah, will you buy me my hair? Just Gucci. There were no there. Go before him and a TV stand here, you go empty.
Yeah, Jugodi ebe go de agree. Yeah, Jugodi.
I wonder. One followers here and go now. Please, one of them because when they support this saga. Maybe I watch them, madam. Catching them near go Jiga Tigo Chanolia. Also, no, Anna a big host. And this big host was reporter a whole login, central login. Ona Bibi Kubana she show lawyer. Ima or Wanina man away rich woman. Ona and Kemlo she show lawyer. And machine not where you go so lawyer. Only a glitter. As a big host, always when they should call on Kia because all Sarah and on the care upon Hamaka. And it's a friend that they live fake life. Or then I have a Bella Street, I had a hotel. Maybe hotel, okay, Buria Hostel, you have a hotel and get to realize, or in our now where is your room.
Racing. In a see Jelega go to 500,000 naira. Ogotago common spaghetti. Ogotago common spaghetti. Racing in a see Yaga go to 500 something thousand. Ogotago two packets of spaghetti in a shop. Oh, me pay. Ogo close down that shop. Shop on the biscuit. On the biscuit one day na pure water. Tapolin.
Campolin go to Wule. How did you go to Abuja?
Let's see happen, Biko.
Oga Abuja. I'm going to go to toilet. Can't you why I will treat you with local woman?
They are begging the too much na this app. The thing that annoy him, like
Anna,
the thing they annoy me. Like if I come to your, I will see them. They will put account number. I don't send money tire. He get my people. I don't send money for them tire. I'm tired. Go and look for work. You are a young guy. Go and look for work. Go and look for work. You open platform. You want to support somebody. You want to be on Abada's side. You want to support somebody. But in Bob, go and look for work. Stop begging.
Nego do nkebu pokri po okwa dashin kamado dashiri ya phone on you use. In the fancy jelly. Is fancy jelly dashiri phone.
Kabinu lumpaya na maya. Again, Pokri is still living with the parents.
Yes. Everybody knows. Mama, thank you.
But I know on social media.
Able-bodied man, Dekaya. Able-bodied man.
Okay, that is why
my sister Uju is not
you are attacking the whole of Anambra people. See, the Anambra people I am seeing recently, they are jobless. I'm sorry to say that. I'm very sorry.
No, racing. No, don't say that though. The Anambra people you are seeing, those ones that born by mistake, those ones that they don't have home training. We Anambra men, they are known for their industrious life. You don't know Anambra people.
Because they are
known.
They this as in the Imo State, as in our young, Imo lights. And I want to say, Anambra na bambo. Anambra men na bambo.
Yes.
Anambra man choki deko weekend or yes. But the ones I am seeing right now, my sister, they are a bunch of lunatics.
No, the ones you are seeing now is a flave. You know, in every state they have a flave. You know, in every state they are, in Imo State now they have a flave, guys.
Yes,
in other states they have a flave.
But Imo State I did show me.
But you see, and they don't care. The thing you will know about Anambra men is Anambra men are industrious. Let me tell you. And now, if you come to the whole of Igbo land, they know Anambra people with wealth. They are industrious people. They are very, very, very industrious. But you see these nuisance, these ones coming on TikTok, these ones are nuisance. They are nuisance. They're the one bringing bad names to that Anambra state. They are the ones. They are bringing bad names. I have Anambra friends. I have them. They patronize me. I know how hardworking they are. So, but you see all those ones that you are seeing, they are nuisance. Anambra men go to main market now. You see them, they are hustling. Go to Ochanja, go to big markets. They are there. Even if they don't have shop, they will be running around to make money.
Now, let me ask you some Pearl, right? Why would Ifeanyi stop begging? Let me ask this question now. Why would Ifeanyi stop begging when somebody did just order Ifeanyi Ogwolo, knowing fully well that this young man ain't on arrow? Either how you got Ifeanyi Ogwolo or wake you with a Gabeperia shop. Ask you, show me how to fish. Teach me how to fish and don't give me fish. You get your quarry Ogwolo a mess spy. Now let's over one now bada. I will place only Ogwolo. Until today. I have messages of back, but I'm a shop near here. Manager, only a qualities of Bogolo, can't you use that money? Me pay a shop. What Jody and why has Yangwa, Jerry buy her.
See, you know that your own thinking and people's thinking.
Exactly. People's mindset cannot be like yours, my brother.
Are not the same. Like if it's me now, instead of you to pay for me, let me go and stay in a flat. I would rather tell you, okay, give me this money. Maybe this is my handwork, or this is what I want to learn. Let me go and learn this handwork. And after learning it, maybe you open this business for me. You understand? These people you are talking about, most of them are nuisance. They are used to the street. I don't know if you understand. They are used to the street. Most of them don't even have formal education.
They are not even educated at all. They are
I
not
don't know if
even
you understand.
educated.
So their mindset is just, okay, let me get a house and come and be peppering social media people.
Media that I have a house.
Social media and real life is not the same. That is what you know. Social media and real life. That is what I say. After social media, everybody will face reality. Reality must hit everybody. These people you are talking about, they don't have that mindset. Look at the way you are selling your own ice fish. Most of them, they will come here, they will insult you. Work has a fridge. Work has a fridge. And they don't even have 20,000 or 100,000 of their own.
What are you even saying? You could have 5,000. 5,000 in their account.
If they don't go to TikTok to beg for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, they will not survive. If they don't come to TikTok, they will not buy them phone. Like, look at the kind of people that I'm talking about. People that don't even know what they want for themselves.
Correct.
That is why I'm saying they should end this begging. Anybody that put account number, don't send money. I learned in a hard way. I have stopped sending money. I learned in a hard way. Go and look for work. Because that money that I'm sending to you, I worked my ass out for that money.
Correct.
I didn't pick that money. I worked. So go and work. If I can work, you can work. We should stop enabling these people. You know, when you start enabling these people, they will think that, okay, if they come to social media and cry or emotional blackmail and whatever, you send money to them. If you love somebody and you want to stand for that person, stand for that person. If you love Abada and you want to stand for her, stand for her. If you love the other person, you want to stand for the person, stand. Not because of peanuts.
Because they believe that now, and when they believe no, I'm not saga. Now, I'm saga. You know, that's their belief.
Always begging. As in that thing is irritating me.
Listen, good morning.
Good morning, Ujuwa Yoma, Ekene Kwamgi.
Okay, a long time.
Longest time, my darling.
I'm angry with you now.
Why are you angry with me? What's the problem again?
I'm angry with you.
Why?
I will go here. But yes, I can not say what here. But good friends are in our soul. They are not your type. You understand? Always everybody that will go cook here, so we are better off than them. You understand? You are somebody who is learned. Just like Vigelena. You just already Vigelena Bamba. You are bringing yourself down. Oh no, educated person, now you can stand with him or her and talk. Or somebody like Nigeria. Only now you go. That is why I'm not just happy. As one here, you are doing business. Oh, when they need pure water, ordinary pure water. But now, if I get at their house, you won't believe they are selling pure water. And you won't know. Yes, I know people, I know many of them. I mean, Abuja, you understand? You just believe that this is what they are saying. We talk more of you. They are sell things in cold room. In cold room. Huh? You are not selling 1-1. You say, even if you are selling 1-1.
No, I sell a 1-1. No,
understand?
I made a 1-1. Even 1-1 now. See, let me tell you, right? Somebody came to my DM, a very concerned person. Semo, Racer, why do you sell under the umbrella? You know, that's now sure that he will, or a man, that he will assist me. He said no. So I have a shop. And as long as you're not ready to sell in cartons, you should do 1-1 when it comes to fish. Even in a shop, you might know why ever. Now I had the shop, and let me mute you so you can hear me very well. So I had the shop, and they go. People will not be able to come to your own shop. That's all I have. And they're not believing that now I want to shop in a corner. No, you're not very cheap. I want to then narrow the corner. I was very cheaper than them. If we came on like 3-4 days, 2 cartons of fish, Igbo. It might reach somewhere. You're there for 1 week, there for 2 weeks. Just for him and a balance here, it will big man or balance in there. No. Meanwhile, somebody buys upon a road. We can never rent 10 cartons of fish a day. Get one with a shop and they too. They want to let them to come inside to come back from you, my dear. Say I should go. One day on a Saturday, I rent 7 cartons of fish. Say so when the person talk about who are you with the shop, say no. He may go, he may get that money. I'm a job fake life. In that money now, I'm a dear. I would enter on my palo. And we're one very big. Yeah, I know why they call you shop. Now, palo, come to the that money. Anybody in any may go for shop, you're wasting your time. I want to shop now. And the in a carton, yes, you use 2K, and he said, yes, he gave you 1,000. No, for carton answer. He gave you 2,000. So let's say maybe he take a ton of fish now, or 10,000. But if you're selling single, my sister, I'm not exaggerating, talks here. You can use 20,000 to sell a ton of fish. I'm telling you before God and man. So those old women, if we're a village in areas in a village, they make a lot of money. My name go there setting, old man setting, old women setting. Maybe everyone cut on fish here. More a day, anime more than on a Saturday. Jerry will tell you. On a Saturday, anime over 8 cartons of fish on a Saturday. Jerry no Sunday, Chineke lay. And then I ask them that I want fish price. I want to get the I want to ask you the like 10,000. Or I have been here 15,000. Or I have been here 5,000. Depends on the reaction, relate here. So Azo is one of the most, if for Ano, these 2 things are the most expensive things. And they are also something in everyday part of the area. You can't cook without fish. You can't cook without meat. You can't cook without chicken. Unless maybe you need a because now they're not using small of pomo area. When they have any my house, if they can't afford to buy fish, hey, they go for pomo 300 naira, 350.
Pomo is not healthy, sir.
It is not healthy now, but people are eating it now mainly because fish is expensive. Now, for you to buy 1 piece of fish now, you get to go like, let's say, Ofazo now, the least fish in the market now is from 3,000 naira. The least fish you can go to buy now is from 3,000. So, only need to 3,000, you go to house now. Or just go for more 350, 700. Guys, okay, fish 500 naira. Guys, sharing the labaralo way. I would have wife go for more 350, 1,000. If my people never shop now, I'm every woman that I shop now, I'm Nambiko one, Pico, Nambiko, Nakam Ribas, Nambiko, Nami house of 2,000. Master, oh really? Yes, 2,000. Yes, so that one up one out of pit master, Madame Bia, or Bia, never has a free. I gave her free fish. Say I go. Jerry. Oh, why not because with 2,000? Oh, say I don't worry, we got here. And these things are not so easy to afford in the markets. I went there on 3 months. I leave the house because of household or not other. Yes, then that soon should stay big mouth. You saw that soon should Chile. Agent 4 different set of fish share. Agent mackerel, agent croaker with catfish. 4 different set of fishes: catfish, mackerel, and croaker. So if I need them now, it them to the Jew with us. Yes. Oh, fish too come to the ship.
Yes. Okonye na-ere azụ.
Imagine.
Onye na-ere azụ.
Because someone in here now, because someone area can afford it. Onye na area again we afford.
Yeah, when I ego. So if you know your type, this is not so good. On a ego, even the Abuja, ego in Abuja that last 2 months, Abi. He's not even using it to do anything. He's supposed to use it and put in.
Uju in Agapa, asking you are going far. Came a shop, me pay shop, a born a spaghetti and pure water 250 naira. Kefe Melia, Ijel of Lego jail is stock old spaghetti millers. Kondi lapo, electoral anything on the lapo, be a lock or me pay the shop. Bukolongwa hand in the lock or the shop because so Joe. Ijele Joe, Wobble lap, she borrowed lapo. Okuru walk put on the walk. Wait, Saloon. Some of the galas they make expire because some of those galas they expire. Yeah, I mean, they were just Mute on. What happened was that
Big mouth.
The big mouth details because details well.
Mbendi Lapo Biana shop they did not see her. However, back at the shop by any may they packed the spaghetti, my pure water, my gari, my sugar, my granite, the granite self maybe target maybe. Spaghetti did itself, so may go expire. Fridge ya cable because all one fridge go tana swani back.
How big mouth? Who is muting you? Oh, but you say who's muting me? Who's muting me?
Oh, but that fridge na swani, all the 100K. So we call if any. Ijele we put away for na okay we call any. Also okay we go okay budeli na ya ma kuzi the money. We ba waze sapa. So if me, when you tapana the woman or she could not meet up with the debt. And again, obianya the spaghetti na the pure water. Self our water there because some may get spy, margarine, magranol. Because so if on my biscuit, even in the amecha video biscuit, speedy biscuit on the limit chagule spy.
And yes, now everyone with the customer about so that they get a make spy now. Everyone about to get okay with them when I hand down. So Ijele was legal.
I wanna listen, I want to know when we short money. I want to know when loan. Of course, you about flight. Because on a new, again, you when they send you 200, 150, 100.
But I don't understand. But look at somebody such a matter of money. Jiba first, we are Abuja. Oh, they might go Abuja. Same for you, go Abuja. Think a business here. Everyone achieve fake life to impress social media. Only they go by flight to look at all that we have big host. When I'm looking at now, I'm trying to Lagos. Mother, you go to buy flight. My dear, I'm going to go buy flight because I don't need your money. By next year, January, my friend name a birthday, I'll be in Lagos. That my friend, I'll go flight to Lagos because I'm a big boy. I'm a razzle man. I'm a roro.
You can afford flights now. You don't come out to beg because fans you know Macau, any dream go.
You got a fans when you're Macau, and I'm a one Torado Mego.
Always begging. Always begging.
Why find
begging. Everything begging.
Actually got caught Abuja begging.
I found a speech.
Money points
Beggars Association.
Name fine.
Leno, only a week, that's a week, or that post and help a week at us in my dash. At your age, I can actually have dash.
Oh, hello, I don't live in your back, my brother. Yeah.
At your age, let my mother now no clock 8 years. My mom cannot leave my head a while. I was dead. My mom made a mistake in your phone here. And because I'm gonna come back so I made you. So don't want the wine to need to stop any ego.
Racing, I'm not now your mom, now sales boy. I heard.
My mom took a set, almost says, but also told homework Corobia. Not one as in a mature, advanced woman that help you. Morning, so I advise the jelly to call my mother.
Biko nyenu jela aka biko no go to sales girl.
My mom na just sales woman. They can name more guys. Your feeling is on her.
Forget. Your mom. Oga short your mom. Or basaga. Oga bagide saga that pull your mom. Nekwa kama adlock ya negi mekwa ijele employ ndị Igbo oji bịa pụli ya ndị ọgbacha saga esi ya full shopping.
The way Fletcher Bawoni Ekaro fine. Oh, Chile, but you were very useless by a sweat because you are lawyer. You are such a foolish human being. I don't get Zubu what never had a broom name. I don't show. Oh, we tell about saga. My mother don't go on. I don't go to Gazu. Don't want to say about that.
Hanko bịa kachie your mom si nna kama adụlọkụ ya lapụkụ ya ọpụta one day ọgba nne gị saga ọ sị ịmana that woman ọ na-emere nwaanyị azụ nwaanyị adịghị emere m nke a ọ dị eme m lapụkụ ya biko kama adụlọkụ ya ya bụkwa lụzu onwe ya bụ ya gbawakwa saga online ọ na-agba kwụba okwu na ụka ọ na-egwu You're the maybe all about online or hang a picture your mom no febe or see Manya in your car.
Back again. I will a video, yeah. I don't know my mobile. Mom Simo. Now my senior brother goes to the other way na album saga na TikTok. It's the ask him goes go do yeah. Because na video mu ebam or ijeli. So ijeli seed of beauty we hear even na TikTok the man involved more. So that's here I know I can check here for the thing. For the one album saga. So yeah, my brother he goes to my mom the video. So when my son goes go there one so we video ijeli go Syria ever water. That's the Chineke me. Now why oja ba pola na stia. Yes, child. Let me to why and can see so one not about na igwe mmadu na eli ebe water. You say woman na here your name na water. When must kai child. Mo ma so mo na wan se mo na wan. Mo so la dim so lo bedi. As a China. No dri ha ko ko sere wan eludi. Na wan ko sere ya lodi. At least dia control nwo ya. Because one na wan ya lodi. Na dia ge kwa mo to na social media. Mama achi wa se mo mama di ha na akọ. My mother was really sympathizing with her now as a child. Now, Posrilo, one Udi, Yotra. No, Posrilo, at least all no Lodi, no can help, control the Diaga control. It's all Ludi. And they want Chica man, that woman, I don't want it true, because why Ludi cannot come out of social media now, worry auto, everyone in the content. Not possible.
As a normal man with reasoning from the depths of your heart, what makes you your worst enemy in a wish on no
all Nigeria true that the husband is a useless man. I say with my full chest, I will never marry a woman. Give the internet now water.
Now side to give public. Now side to give public.
I will let film up na seek here na social media. My wife, a road we have go for all my jet. Chukwa mankwe. I want to give Ibana Oga no ana basaga. Obo potara nwa ya nwoke. Ndị mmadụ na-akpọ nwa ya nwoke. Omeka nne ya dube empower. Omeka nne ya. Ole ha ya achia. Sale godi nwanya. Ana akpọ nwa go omeka nne ya. Hell, Chineke mekwara ya ebere. A na-akpọ ya omeka nne ya. As in, nwa nwoke na-agbasa ka nne ya. Nisha afụgbola m oge. Mba gị tọshisha.
Racing, yeah, the advice more on the is only my jelly because I'm not the fans down here because Ganu Guani jelly. See, I got one de la pogo. Yeah, got poor who got blue fridge, ya legole, that fridge outside, million and winning to feed that fridge, like Cachichago. Yeah, got one de la pay go and pay Lapo their money and carry your dirty fridge. Spaghetti game no there. The last time I got that office, Kanga there, Kanga stand there as garant of one of my friends. I saw those spaghetti. Some of them are getting spoiled. Fridge outside, million or maybe struggle the whole thing. And jelly biko, oh, go and carry your fridge, gabulu fridge, you want your job. Why two
that fridge, yes, now, fridge, that fridge is a that's why she abandoned it. Because all the fridge at the moment when we abandoned. That fridge is a and the watch I shop here. You have a head and shop empty cartons will hate you at that shop. Because Kanjana Parliament give him AC because he remember, let me go to my parlor. AC
yes, so
come around that is AC. The go hotel to show you about the toy. Kids not in that room. Let's talk. I'm not my parlor. I don't know why any talk to your neighbor. Let's talk. I'm not my parlor. Ijele onye oshi. Ijele gaga chohoga. I'm telling you how.
It's okay. That woman just be very, very shameless. One your lord job, but one crypto is and meton and pants ya. Ambassador on the Carol White. In that woman, only Jonia in fact, back and mad. You couldn't see came big. I'm a good woman. You came born a salo. Came born a lindi.
On a saro from one interest on TikTok live stream. How can you sell now? I don't this one now. That's a child, you know. If one gamaga liar, and they might go, now one gamma no here now, now. It is in a ramao. Now let's soon. I got almost 2 now. Yeah, the Ramsilia. But this is now no problem because I can't cook. Go for stew. Go for us. You need me. This is now what a problem. I cannot cook because I'm gonna go. But this is no problem because I want you know, I have to come that list that you know, matter than serve more money. So now I have forever now. This should be easy to enter the hospital. What up?
News, because yeah.
Commit so much sheba. Oh yeah,
The baby abani na olu ogagolo ewedu 10 naira na amala with definitely only reason only those ewedu or they nenu boya. I zoomed that her nails and I was like, what the heck, what is this? They go to how can a matured person in a real with no go to your nails, how dirty those black things they do they go to how dirty the wulaka. At least you're not even putting on a hand glove, not even using cutlery. It's lelole akija type you this disgusting woman. Imecha put online me ponu lelole onu nesi too without look at go bleaching with damage we ne ku kuna palende kagema yele mebukwa gijili. You should be ashamed of yourself. You will disgrace to womanhood. You will disgrace to your family, a disgrace to your generation, and a disgrace to your child. Because you have nothing to write home about. At your age, you go to kiss it useless.
Big mouth. Everybody has got that amarula.
Oh, okay. Racing. Oh, why did you try to give? Racing is the shock or as why in a lake all this thing. Or as the free jar in a nankanka umbrella. Because I'm not sure.
Agent gave 370 million for better them gang.
It is shock as the fridge I nearly. Are you sure it is this as the fridge as in a kanka umbrella? I am not sure.
No, but you know, I work now. It's not just only the fish now. I'm a roll now. I got a new job yesterday. I didn't tell you last week. I got a new job. You know, I want an organization that I submitted an application to be a program manager in their. So they granted it. They sent me an email that this thing now agreed to go here. So now I'm working. And sometimes I also work from home because some of my work most times now carry documentary, and I used to send email. So I my report in office every Thursday. That's why Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, I'm very very occupied because Thursdays I'm a go, Friday I'm a go, Saturday I'm a Nimaya, Sunday in fact now look Saturday I'm a Nimaya from morning till night. You understand?
Okay. So
then Sundays, I have day market. Maybe let me say like 6 cartons of fish. From morning till around the kind 12. As ungu na alawa. Cause that to me that's weekend. Jengo one of my imana Sunday won't go day for do now.
Yeah.
And make about So I make money from different places. So also for example she make ego and
okay.
That is it. So
oh, I want to ask you another question. I want to ask you another question, Bikon. So this thing now they can interview Bikon, my brother. Oh, I want you to teach Pokripo. Teach it fine. Share your wisdom to them, Bikon.
Pokripo na Igbo. Oma me business. Igbo. Guinea business on the Igbo the money.
That boy had this colos. If only take Bumoli, Biko, only get the boy aka, I beg. I yana did it too much because Nana Ayozi Chuku, India Ayoka, Biko. I've got the last wife who said her case, Amiazo. At least he may go to Hebele, he might not new starter, so he can Gallagher Island, go to have good umbrella and call because it's obviously that's your umbrella with grace. You cannot share it with them. So he go hand call full. And he can make sure now in a go on. And he can make sure no zero go, he got no 247. Teach him, teach him to be independent as a man. In case they
because in another one marula. Then I go best. Then came now. This one can now. Let me show you this one. Then I go bellies. Later, I go bellies. I take bellies. So when they were talking about that amarula, I was like, what's special about this amarula? Let me see what it is. So I on the amarula. It's nice anyway. That amarula is very nice. I like it. And all I come and use now.
One name okay, Biko, help us. Because the amount of jobless people I know waiting at this app now is alarming. Biko, help Pokripo. In case you find that one, I'm assuming that boy, Chinikabara Kwamo, I'm assuming he's a partial investor. That one,
I like the young man, right? I like him. I think I like him. Sometimes he's always emotional, I don't know what he's calling me, but I believe that boy too Mumu. That boy Mumu. Can you let us say the truth? Me and you know say that boy now Mumu, he no get sense. All this up like this. I don't know. Is it that or is he okay? As in sometimes reason is this person actually okay? Or he does not know his enemy, he does not know his friend. He just pack everybody put for one side. Or be all stand the camera, you need a basaragi now. I will be like, no, Chikwaho. I'm not no doctor, no again. I don't know. I don't know how I'm being a palo, other he up on the doctor, and nurse. Or they can keep following me and why is coconut, is Igbo.
Gentle G, why your Lord, but why low BP, why hypertension,
Yeah, that
why
reminds
no
me.
wow.
Hold on, that reminds me. Big mouth, hold on. Oh. I thought that woman, Igbo Amaka, that woman, that Igbo Amaka of a woman, I thought she was clamoring for peace.
For where? For where? Wait, I
No, because I want a clip on for that live stream clip on for Homer that she was abusing Abada.
On a live.
No, seriously, edge come that period of time in all name come a peace. The Ndi Igbo, Funo Muru Nanya, Ndi Igbo, Acham Kuno Muru Nanya. I thought she was actually making, coming for peace. So, I'm not going to with very more job. Honest, that live stream on for Master Chineke me, you know why I'm not going to live stream. I will not give you a call on. It's a Koreano, but Paritaya. Yana, why in Newi? Oh, this women of this app. Okay, that's why in Newi, no, they made that, they play that Siba. So, Abada, and a good license to Siba. All of you just know about this Siba. That's Igbo come for life.
All those women, you have old, haggard fools. The old, the angry, the haggard. Time hagago, hachong man at time hagago. Umwa igafe go do menopause. What do you have to do with them? Happen those old things. Have na TikTok he will filter their face, filter their body. Chena filter can help them. Leave those old buffaloes.
No, Pearl, honestly, that's Igbo Amaka before God and man. The way she comes on a live stream, hey, Yam Chokora Kemudo, I was like, that them now was celeb. I was like, no, why are they Kemudo? Kemudo is the change here, who's there a secretarian. So just the women go.
I'm going to age mayo, a repota. I'm going to age mayo. So all repota. Then she was coming so that people will follow her. She will have the visibility. Now that she thinks that she has the visibility, she now feels that this is the opportunity to strike. So this is who she is. She's a chameleon, and that's on period.